Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I get to share with you something that's brand new. I love card kits, and so I'm so excited I get to share this with you. This is by Pink and Main, and it's called the Crafty Courtyard. It's a monthly kit subscription, and I get to share with you what is in this month's brand new kit. So we're going to bring it in. It's a beautiful pink box with polka dots. Love that. You know I like my card kits. If you are new to my channel, I love card kits because everything's coordinated for you. And so I was so happy when Michelle from Pink and Main asked me to share this with you. So this is it. This month's theme is, well, this month's kit's called It's a Party. Super fun. On the bottom here it shows you your bright and cheery color palette, and then it lists everything that comes in your kit. Now if you are interested in this kit from Pink and Main, there is a thank you gift that will be coming along with your kit. Now kits will ship on March 15th, and so look forward to your little thank you gift inside here. I want to show you what's in here. It's a very generous thank you gift, and I think it's just adorable. So let's take a look. First you get a little welcome letter for the Crafty Courtyard here. And there's perks too, lots and lots of perks for being a subscriber, and I'll talk about that in a little bit. But this is your freebie stamp set. Hello, hi, and hey. Super cute, love that. And it does come with coordinating dies that will cut out the hello, hi, and hey. Super cute. And then you get a coordinating little badge, decorative little button badge here. So that's your thank you gift, which is super cute in itself. Now the perks. As a subscriber, you guys can enjoy 15% off the Pink and Main shop. And if you're in Athens, Georgia, Pink and Main is opening up a brand new brick and mortar shop. So you enjoy 15% off there as well, which is fantastic. So lots of perks. Pink and Main is also having a exclusive Facebook group to subscribers where they'll be shown monthly projects and ideas and inspiration with the kit contents. So that's a great idea in itself, and it's just exclusive to subscribers. Super fun. So let's take a look. I was so excited, and I think my little friend there knew I was because she kept walking back and forth. But this is it. It comes in a nice vinyl pouch, has a zipper on the top, super sturdy and durable, great for holding your projects, and then your cardstock is on the bottom. It's protected with the box, which is great. So let's take a look. We're going to set everything aside, and I get to share with you what's in the March 2019 Crafty Courtyard kit. So this is cardstock by Basil. Basil has quality cardstock. This is a real warm gray, soft warm gray. This is a shimmery teal. Super fun. You get a real bright yellow. You get a real pretty green. And then you get a real pretty blue. The nice thing about this kit is, one, it's birthday themed. Everybody could use birthday cards. And then also the colors. The colors are bright and vibrant and gender neutral, which is fantastic. You get a sheet of the red that does have polka dot embossed on it, and then 2 sheets of the heavyweight white that are 110 pound, which is fantastic. So lots of cardstock. And you can see it coordinates with the color palette beautifully. Okay, let's take a look at the goodie bag here. My goodness, I was so excited about the bag because I'm an organizer, and so having a zipper pouch that will hold your kit contents every month is fantastic. I love that. Okay, this is your 6x6 It's a Party paper pad. There's 24 sheets in here. They're double-sided, and they repeat themselves. So you get 24 sheets in total, actually 26 sheets in total. They're birthday themed, super cute, and they coordinate with your pattern or your cardstock beautifully. Lots of fun, vibrant colors, stripes and two-tones and birthday balloons. So this is your 6x6 paper pad, and these are your 2 extra sheets. On the front sheet and the back sheet, you can actually use that on your projects. So that's 2 bonus pieces, so 26 sheets of paper here. Okay, this is exclusive to the Pink and Main's Crafty Courtyard. It's a 6x6 stamp set, and it's only available in the kit, which is lovely. It coordinates with your pattern papers beautifully. Birthday sentiments that say woohoo, congratulations, best wishes, cheers, let's party. I love that happy birthday there. That's super fun. You also get 10 dies that coordinate with your stamp set. Now, they don't line up exactly as the stamp set, but they coordinate with the images in there, which is fantastic. Even that little banner die is super cute. Okay, you get 4 envelopes. These are A2 in size. I love when craft kits include envelopes because I always run out. Also included is a full package of your glossy dots. Beautiful colors that coordinate beautifully. You get 3 little bows. Super cute. If you don't like tying bows, they're tied for you. You get a full jar of Wow embossing powder. Super glittery and shiny. This is a metallic silver sparkle embossing powder from Wow. You also get a mini ink cube. This is by Pink and Main, and it is called Asphalt. It's a surface ink. I love gray ink, and so I think it goes perfect with the gender neutral themed birthday kit. It's a darker smoky gray, which is really nice. So you get your little ink cube. You also get some twine and baker's twine. You get 3 yards of each, which is really nice. And I was going to unwrap it to show you, but I'm afraid that would have probably took me a long time. You should see how long it takes me to undo a thread spool. So I thought I'll just leave that there for now. But you get 3 yards of each of those. You get some confetti. These they're not sequins. They don't have holes, but they're shiny like sequins. And they're different sizes in a rainbow of color. You get a good amount there. And then you get a collectible flare badge. It has a rainbow on there that coordinates with your kit beautifully. So this is everything in the February, or I won't say February, but it's March, the March kit, including your vinyl bag. Every month you'll get one of those. How about that if you do your subscription? And there's your little thank you gift for subscribing to the March kit. Kits do begin shipping on March 15th, guys. So if you, they're available now. So if you want to, I'll leave a link down below if you want to check it out. But they will start shipping on March 15th. And about a week or so before March 15th, I will be doing some projects using this kit, which is just fantastic. So keep a lookout for that. And now some subscriber facts here. For the Crafty Pink and Main Crafty Courtyard kit, they are $34.99 a month, and there is a 3-month commitment period. And anytime after your commitment period ends, if you decide to cancel your subscription, you're more than welcome to. But I don't think you will, because this kit is pretty amazing. Basil cardstock usually has a little lip on the very top, a 1/2 inch extra strip. So what I'm going to do is just trim that off. That way everything can fit perfectly in my brand new little vinyl bag. But also I forgot to mention, my goodness, that if you're a subscriber for a full year, you get a gift, a anniversary gift, which is lovely. Pink and Main will send you a $25 gift card or store credit to the Pink and Main shop. And so that's a nice little added perk, my goodness. That's a lot of little crafty cash. And then I also encourage, if you guys do decide to subscribe, be sure and check out the Crafty Corner Facebook group. My goodness, that's a great place to share your projects and to get inspired by inspirational photos and tutorials. So I encourage you to check out the Pink and Main Crafty Courtyard group too. Let's see, what else? Also remember that as a subscriber, the bonus is you get 15% off the pinkandmain.com shop. So that's great in itself. So I thank you so much for joining me, guys. Thank you, Michelle, for allowing me to share this fantastic kit. I love card kits, and I think it's just amazing. I wish you guys a lovely day. Links will be down below in the description area in case you're interested. But I wish you a wonderful weekend, and we will see you again soon. Bye-bye.